Alright guys, this is how we're gonna make a lantern. First, you have a piece of paper and draw it in lines. But how I create this paper is I fold it in half, okay? And then I just draw lines, a bunch of lines. So here I have it. And make sure that you leave room on the top because you don't want to cut it off. So you want to cut at the bottom. Like that. Make sure that the lines are spaced out evenly. Alright, so here you go. Finish cutting up all the lines. And then you're gonna open it. And then you don't see lines, right? Then you're gonna basically round it in, circulate it, and then you have this. It may be a two-person job, one person hold, the other person's tape. So I hold on one end, take my tape, tape it, go to the other side, and you make sure that you're just overlapping one time, overlapping one of the strip of papers. Take that, now you have this, but you want it to be bent a little bit more. So now what you're gonna do is, you see this double-sided right here, and then there's an extra strip inside. What you want to do is grab that, push that extra strip in. So you have two strips, right? One on the top, one on the bottom. Because of the overlap, you want to push that extra strip in and then bring it to the top. So that you'll have a loop right there. So let me see if I can show you. Okay. So you see that strip right there. This is an extra strip, it's double. And then use your finger, roll it up like so. Just a little bit. Okay, so now you have this. You only want a little bit. And then take a piece of tape or stapler if you have, and just nail that one down. Okay, so now this will be not balanced, as you can see, so you had to do it to the opposite side. So opposite to that, and then you just choose one of the strip on the opposite side, and then push it in, and then bring that loop up. See, push it in, bring the loop up. You see a little loop like that. Just need that little loop. And once again, you're gonna use a piece of tape or stapler. Then you take a stick in to one of the loops, like so. And for it not to fall, you're going to tape it down like that. So I put the tape like that, so it's not falling. But then I can spin it. So there you have it, the lantern.